Welcome to the Tech Factory, where innovation meets imagination. Imagine a world where transportation knows no limits. From land to air to sea, in this video, we showcase the future of mobility. These groundbreaking designs will truly amaze you. Evteker 01. The Evteker 01 electric scooter is making waves with its remarkable combination of power, design, and performance. Showcased at EIMA 2024, this mid-sized ADV-style electric bike has captured attention for all the right reasons. At its core is a powerful 10.5 kilowatts motor that generates an impressive 215 Newton-meters of torque. This allows the scooter to reach a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour with ease. Perfect for city commutes and short adventures, the Evteker 01 offers fast charging capabilities, going from 0 to 90% in just 1 hour and 40 minutes. With a range of 150 kilometers on a single charge, it's built for both convenience and reliability. Its design emphasizes practicality and style. The step-through frame ensures easy accessibility, while the 15-inch front wheels and 14-inch rear wheels provide excellent stability. Coupled with custom ADV tires, this scooter delivers comfort and control across various terrains. The Evteker 01 is packed with advanced features. A 7-inch TFT display offers clear and intuitive information, and keyless unlocking adds a modern touch. If you're looking for an electric scooter that combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and thoughtful design, the Evteker 01 is hard to beat. Glickenhaus Boot. What makes the Glickenhaus Boot stand out? It's more than just a car. Built by SCG, the Boot is a machine crafted for the toughest challenges in the world of motorsport. SCG doesn't just build cars, they take on legendary races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Their approach is simple yet bold. Design a vehicle that dominates on the track, then adapt it for the road. One of their most iconic creations is the Glickenhaus Boot. Top Gear calls it a spectacular buggy that's as fun to drive as it is powerful. In fact, they've crowned it one of the best cars they've ever tested. The Boot comes in two versions, a 2-door model and a larger 4-door version. Both are equipped with an independent suspension system that offers a jaw-dropping 45.7 centimeters of travel on every wheel. That's serious capability for off-road adventures. Powering this beast is a base engine that delivers an impressive 460 horsepower. But if you crave even more performance, SCG offers an upgrade to a 650 horsepower engine. This extra power comes at a premium, bringing the price of the Boot to around $300,000. Every detail of the Glickenhaus Boot is designed to perform. It's not just a car, it's an experience. From tearing up racetracks to tackling rugged trails, the Boot is built to thrill. Gibbs Aquada. The Gibbs Aquada is a revolutionary amphibious vehicle that effortlessly transitions between land and water. It offers exceptional performance in both environments, making it a standout in innovation and engineering. On land, the Aquada can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Once it enters the water, it transforms into a high-speed boat, capable of reaching 30 miles per hour. This is made possible by its jet ski-inspired technology, ensuring smooth and efficient water navigation. The vehicle features a central driving position and a 3-seater configuration, offering both comfort and control. Its lightweight construction, with a space-frame aluminum chassis and fiberglass body, enhances agility and responsiveness on land and water. Powering the Aquada is a mid-mounted 2.5 LV6 engine sourced from the Land Rover Freelander. This engine provides ample power for seamless performance in both terrains. Despite its groundbreaking design and capabilities, the Aquada has a limited production run and a high price tag of £150,000. This positions it as a niche offering for enthusiasts seeking a truly unique experience. The Gibbs Aquada stands as a remarkable achievement in blending automotive and marine engineering. It showcases the potential of amphibious vehicles and redefines the concept of adventure. MOD Easy Sidecar. The MOD Easy Sidecar is a unique electric cruiser that blends retro charm with modern practicality. This eye-catching bike is designed to turn heads while offering a reliable and functional ride. At its heart is a 750W brushless hub motor, capable of peaking at 1000 watts. This provides plenty of power for various terrains, making it a versatile choice. Paired with a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, the bike delivers a range of up to 50 miles per charge, ensuring you can go the distance. The sidecar is a standout feature. It's designed to carry up to 150 pounds, making it perfect for children, pets, or cargo. This adds a new level of convenience for families or anyone needing extra storage on the go. The bike's design focuses on both comfort and utility. It comes with a suspension seat post for a smoother ride, integrated lights for safety, and fenders to handle different weather conditions. A rear rack adds to its practicality, making it ideal for errands or leisurely rides. However, assembly can be a challenge. Some users report it takes up to 4 hours due to unclear instructions. Additionally, its weight and bulk can make maneuvering and storage a bit tricky. Overall, the MOD Easy Sidecar is a fun, stylish, and functional option for families or anyone seeking an alternative to traditional transportation. It's a perfect blend of vintage style and modern innovation. Magnum UFO Scooter. The Magnum UFO Scooter is a cutting-edge electric mobility solution designed to combine style, comfort, and practicality. Perfect for both urban and rural riders, it redefines the way we commute. One of its standout features is the sleek cabin. This unique design provides protection from the elements, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. Whether it's wind or rain, the Magnum UFO Scooter keeps you covered. Powered by a 60-volt, 1000-watt motor, the scooter delivers a smooth and silent driving experience. It's an eco-friendly option, making it a great choice for daily commutes. The compact design enhances maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate through tight spaces with ease. Safety is a top priority with its advanced braking system, featuring reliable disc brakes for added control and stopping power. For those who value innovation, sustainability, and style, the Magnum UFO Scooter is the ideal choice. It transforms urban mobility into an experience that's both practical and futuristic. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary eVTOL aircraft designed for urban air mobility. This sleek, all-electric aircraft is a glimpse into the future of sustainable transportation. The jet features a carbon fiber composite fuselage, making it lightweight and strong. It can carry one pilot and up to 6 passengers. This makes it a perfect fit for short-distance air travel within cities. With a cruise speed of up to 155 miles per hour and a range of around 155 miles, it covers a lot of ground, or air, quickly. This speed and range make it ideal for city commutes or regional travel. One of the standout features of the Lilium Jet is its quiet operation. Traditional helicopters can be quite loud, but the Lilium Jet is designed to be 6 to 7 times quieter during takeoff. This is thanks to its 36 electric vectored thrust fans, which help reduce noise significantly. The aircraft's canard wings aren't just for show, they enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, allowing it to fly smoother and more efficiently. This helps conserve energy while still providing a fast, comfortable ride. Inside, the jet offers larger windows, giving passengers a chance to enjoy stunning views while flying. Whether you're crossing a city skyline or traveling to a nearby region, the experience is both scenic and quiet. Safety is at the heart of the Lilium Jet's design. Its distributed electric propulsion system provides redundancy, meaning multiple engines work together for enhanced reliability. If one engine faces an issue, others can compensate, keeping the jet in the air safely. The Lilium Jet represents a major leap forward in urban transportation. With its sleek design, quiet operation, and focus on safety, it's paving the way for a future of efficient and sustainable air travel. Navia Arma Minibus. A glimpse into the future of city transportation. The Navia Arma Minibus is a self-driving, fully electric vehicle designed to change how we navigate cities. Known as the Navia Autonomous Shuttle, this innovative minibus uses advanced sensor technology, including stereo cameras and lidar, to move safely through its surroundings. With its all-electric system, the Navia shuttle runs efficiently and quietly, operating on set routes or even as an on-demand taxi. It's flexible and practical, ready to adapt to a city's needs. The minibus can carry up to 15 passengers, making it perfect for busy urban areas, corporate campuses, and industrial zones. Since its launch in 2017, the Navia shuttle has proven to be reliable and effective in various locations worldwide. In France, for instance, it operates at the EDF power plant in Civaux, and in Singapore, it's a key part of autonomous shuttle routes. This minibus can move completely without a driver, showcasing the real potential of self-driving vehicles in everyday life. Eco-friendly and efficient, the Navia Arma Minibus offers a glimpse into the future of public transportation. It demonstrates how autonomous electric vehicles could reduce emissions, streamline travel, and ultimately make our cities cleaner and more efficient. This is the Navia Arma Minibus, a step towards the future of sustainable, smart transit. NASA Moon Rover. The NASA Moon Rover, also known as the Lunar Roving Vehicle, LRV, or Moon Buggy, played a crucial role in space exploration during the Apollo missions. It was used in the Apollo 15, 16, and 17 missions between 1971 and 1972. Built by Boeing, this remarkable rover was battery-powered and featured 4 wheels. Despite weighing just 462 pounds, 210 kilograms, it could carry an impressive load of up to 970 pounds, 440 kilograms, including astronauts and their equipment. The Moon Rover was designed for a top speed of 6 miles per hour but managed to reach a record speed of 11.2 miles per hour during its final mission. Transported to the Moon in a folded state, it was deployed upon arrival, enabling astronauts to travel up to 30 kilometers during each mission. This rover was invaluable for lunar exploration and sample collection. It allowed astronauts to cover greater distances, study more terrain, and bring back crucial materials for research. Today, the LRVs remain on the Moon, a testament to their historical importance and the ingenuity of space exploration. They symbolize humanity's achievements in pushing the boundaries of technology and science. Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head. The Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head is turning heads as the standout model among the 4 electric motorcycles Ola introduced in 2023. Its striking design includes a unique D-shaped windscreen with an LED strip and sleek clip-on handlebars. What really makes the Diamond Head special is its oversized front swing arm, which might mean it uses a hub-centered steering system, a big switch from the usual telescopic forks found on most bikes. Plus, it boasts a belt drive system instead of the traditional chain drive. This means it's not only quieter but also requires less upkeep. The Diamond Head is definitely a bold step forward in motorcycle design. Ether Cruise Airship. The Ether Cruise Airship offers a one-of-a-kind travel experience, soaring high above the Earth where luxury and adventure meet in perfect harmony. Imagine floating through the clouds in a vessel that combines the elegance of a 5-star resort with the thrill of airship exploration. This marvel of engineering glides smoothly, giving guests breathtaking panoramic views of the landscapes below. The airship's interior is a blend of luxury and sophistication. Every cabin is beautifully designed, with modern amenities and spacious observation lounges. These lounges feature floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing you to take in the stunning scenery from all angles. On board, guests can indulge in gourmet dining prepared by top chefs. Afterward, relax in the stylish lounges or participate in curated activities designed to enhance your journey. Whether you're looking for excitement or relaxation, the Ether Cruise Airship delivers a journey like no other. This is where luxury and adventure come together, creating an unforgettable experience. Food delivery system. Forget waiting for a server. Sushi conveyor belts, or sushi trains, offer a fun, futuristic dining experience. Imagine a mini train track running around the restaurant, but instead of trains, it's loaded with plates of fresh sushi. As each dish glides by, you simply grab whatever catches your eye. It's like a magical sushi buffet on wheels. This conveyor belt system keeps things moving, making dining quick and interactive. You're in control of the pace, and in some spots, touchscreen menus allow you to order specific dishes that arrive right at your table on the conveyor. Perfect for sushi lovers and efficient for restaurant managers, this setup makes dining exciting and convenient. So next time you're craving sushi, hop on board the sushi train for a deliciously entertaining experience. Bilgin 263 Leona. The Bilgin 263 Leona is a stunning superyacht crafted by the renowned Turkish shipyard, Bilgin Yachts. Launched in 2020, this masterpiece is part of the Bilgin 263 series, the largest yachts ever built by the company. Measuring 80 meters in length, Leona showcases a sleek, modern exterior designed by unique yacht design. Its sophisticated interior is the work of H2 Yacht Design, blending luxury with functionality. The yacht offers impressive amenities. There's a spacious beach club with a bar, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, and an array of water toys for endless fun on the sea. Leona accommodates up to 12 guests in 8 lavish staterooms, including a full-beam master suite. Inside, guests are treated to a world of opulence. The interiors feature luxurious materials, elegant furnishings, and state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring unmatched comfort and style. Powered by twin MTU 16V 4000M63R engines, Leona can reach a top speed of 20 knots. This combination of performance and luxury makes it a standout choice for those seeking adventure with sophistication.